So they've been trained like that when they were planted. Their outer branches would have been tied down, okay? It means they're easier picked, pruned, maintained, looked after. All the fruit here, folks, on the farm is hand picked. Okay? Nothing is shaken. If a worker is caught shaking a tree, they'll be found buried in the orchard.
What do you do to all the ones on the ground?
Those are our windfalls. Now, folks, just let me draw look at the size of these.
They're massive.
Now, we're not going to start harvest here in this orchard maybe for another fortnight or 3 weeks. So what size are those apples going to get to? Now, we've been measuring our fruit to see how quickly it's growing. It's growing 2 mil per day, which is 14 mil per week. So if they're like this already, what size are they going to be? But it's to give those smaller apples, the smaller ones that are in the tree, is to give them a wee chance to grow out, okay?
What happens to fallen apples then?
So the apples on the ground, folks, is what we call our windfall apples. Those are damaged apples. We don't use those. Those apples will be picked up, put into bulkers and set down to the bottom of barrels. We packers, bulkers, they use them.
What do you get about
Yeah, but as I say, we only use the hand.
So you're saying Magnus is rubbish?
That's why it doesn't taste so good.
Very good.
We do a prune here, folks.
Maganda gagamba dito pa no? Apple eh. Tapang
Those
yan.
ones there, folks, to your left is delicious. Okay? So this apple will be picked and turned into apple juice. Remember, this is the last fruit that's picked on the farm, okay? So you can see the difference straight away when you're looking at it, so you know what you're looking for. You know, that's the apple that grows in the middle of the trees, the Bramley apple as well. A golden delicious when it's growing, folks. Now those are definitely not ready. They're definitely not ready. They're because you know by their colour when they're but then they will turn green and then yellow. They're turning to yellow.
Manihula ka niya.
It's good.
Daming apples.